ng budget cut dun sa OVP. Where does it stand here in the Senate? Ibabalik niyo ba yung na-cut or nabawas na budget sa OVP?
We'll wait. Who's handling the OVP budget? Is it
Senator Poe.
Senator Poe? We'll wait for the decision of Senator Poe on what her plan of action will be. So we have several colleagues that already said that they want to increase the budget allocation. I think it's Senator Joel Villanueva and Senator Jingo Estrada. So we'll just wait for the final outcome and we'll be discussing it on the floor. It's too premature at this point in time to say what should happen and what will happen.
And sir, sa inyo sir, will you move na ma-increase? Kasi anyway, umattend naman si VP dito sa House kasi sir, mukhang yun yung contention nila, hindi siya umaattend doon sa mga
In fairness, dito nag-attend po siya and she answered questions raised by some of our senators. She was very engaging with the senators, so walang problema. Kaya, so hintayin ko lang yung decision ni... I think the appetite though amongst the senators is to increase her budget a bit. Yun yung sa usap-usapan sa lounge.
increase from...
The appetite is of the senators. I'm not saying me. I'm saying the discussions on the lounge is to increase ng konti yung budget ng OVP.
So yung 2-point-something billion, dagdagan pa?
Increase from net o yung ibabalik nila?
Hindi. Yung 700 million na yung 700 million na in-approve ng House, darating sa amin yan, 700 million eh. 700 million. So yung appetite ng ibang senador dito sa Senado is dagdagan pa ng konti.
By how much?
Wala pa. Ay, hindi ko masabi yun. Yan ang usap-usapin lang ng nandun. Hindi ko nakausap. And the best person to ask there is the chairperson of her, or the chairperson of the Finance Committee, which is Senator Grace Poe.
So sir, ang mangyayari niyan, pagdating sa BICAM na lang aayusin kung magkaiba yung...
Magkakaroon ng difference sa BICAM eh, so difference of opinion. Again, the best person to answer that is Senator Grace Poe.
So dapat ba umattend dito si VP para hindi magkaroon ng katulad ng issue like sa House? Because sa pag-plenary,
I think she'll attend here. I think she'll
Dito
attend
sa
here.
Senate.
I think.
Mas,
would be better, sorry.
Of course, I don't want to guess anything. Baka she won't attend. Ang pagalitan niyo ako na hindi pala nag-attend. Ako na, I think she might attend here. Yeah, last year she was here. But we'll see.
sir, enough na basis ba para ipanawagan na mag-step down sa position si BP yung hindi niya pag-attend sa House?
Hindi naman tama siguro yan. I think it's her prerogative. She was selected by 31 million Filipinos. You know, as she said, she will respect the decision of Congress on her budget. We'll leave it at that.